see Bengali people before.
আমি কখনো বাঙালি দেখিনি আগে। এখানে অনেক অনেক লোক আছে।
What's it look like from this side?
চলো দেখা যাক।
Oh wow, look at all these people. Wonder where they're from.
আপনারা ভাবছেন এরা কোথা থেকে?
Okay, well let's skip all that stuff. Let's just do this. Ready? Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Krishna Krishna! Krishna Krishna! Hare Hare! Hare Hare! Hare Rama! Hare Rama! Hare Rama! Hare Rama! Rama Rama! Hare Hare! Hare Hare! Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Krishna Krishna! Hare Hare! Hare Rama! Hare Rama! You by surprise. This is where you get the chant. Even if you're holding a phone, you can still chant, right? The phone to the mouth. Okay. Ready? You want to chant? Let's make some noise.